This is the last leg of my trip in Scotland. Time to ride out, pack up, and probably forget something very important. Trying to decide if I'm gonna leave now or wait till the store opens, restock, and leave. Somebody left their wallet here. That's where it went across. That is one big pile of Of course Betty Hill's on a hill. Hi. Where are you?
Where are you?
I'm in Betty Hill. I didn't secure my wallet to myself properly to stay in London at least until Wednesday. This is the one time I didn't do my check. I should never do, and I always mindful not to do it, but I did it today. All good, it's right here. Fell off. It fell off by a cattle grid, and a really nice guy named Norm found it and brought it to the post office, and he drove it out to me.
Oh my god.
I was like I had already been in contact with the police and the embassy and everything about my passport. I was gonna have to go to London. It won't take long. Apparently after a few more hills, it's flat.
Okay.
That's what Norm said.
It turned out great.
It turned out great, and I met a nice man named Norm. Nice little place for 25 pounds, okay. I'll take it. Just got out of my hostel in Thurso. Thought I'd do that rather than camp in the park. That didn't seem fun. There were a lot of kids in there. Yeah, my roommate was very talkative. Talked to him for hours. woke up in the middle of the night and talked to him. So hopefully that doesn't affect my sleepiness.
Mind the gap when alighting from this train.
Thanks, cyclery. Oh, nearly the end of the final quest complete. Okay. Just walking like this for 3 miles. Well, 3.5 miles, I should say. Actually, 3.7 miles. Starting to fall apart so close to the end. If I fall asleep, that's what happens. So, yeah.
I met a nice Armenian couple quietly trying to live in the airport. I helped them charge their phone and helped them with a few things in English. It seemed like a fitting end to my tour, since so many strangers helped me, despite all my ethical failings.
Quest complete. Vegan burrito.